Today I'll guide you through the process of registering your Myenergi devices. Registering is crucial as it ensures your warranty is in your name and not the installer's. Open the app and click First Time here. Enter your first and last name. Provide your email and create a password, ensuring you follow the guidelines. Set your communication preferences and click Continue. Verify your email using the code sent to you. Tap the plus icon to add your first product. Swipe to find and select your device. Enter the details from your primary device, including the hub serial number and registration code. Confirm that your devices are paired and connected to Wi-Fi. Name your location. Your devices will now appear on the main display screen. By following these steps, you'll ensure your Myenergi devices are properly registered, allowing you to unlock their full potential and enjoy a smooth user experience.